What's up here is Postano Truly. So what I knew today is that we people, we destroy our world. We destroy the world we live in. Now, I'm in a small community where everything is cool, but there is something I didn't like at all. Sure. This is dirty water you see. Apart from dirty water, this is rubbish. Yeah, you see, that's rubbish. And this is our weed, unwanted plants. Yeah, okay, the best thing, there is some crops just right here. Sugar canes, cassava, maize. But this is not good. This is not good. Trust me. Trust me. And the community environment is so nice, Yeah. African people, let's stop this. Let's stop this. Let us promote our environments by knowing how to preserve our environments. Yes. Now, like growing crops, that's not bad. Yeah. But this dropping rubbish everywhere, I think it's not cool. It's not cool at all. And me right now, I don't know even whom to blame. Should I blame people or should I blame the countries, like the government? No. I don't know whom to blame. Trust me. But that's bad. That's so bad. You see, okay, Africa is a gifted country. You see, I like it that they grow crops, that everything is going on well. But these crops will die soon if people continue doing this. This is not good. This is not good at all. There are even more crops planted that side. You see? Just nice community. Maize is grown. Cassava. Every type of crop, I see it here. But look at that. That's dirty water. Pollutants everywhere. See? That's not so cool. People, let's be aware of this. That is not good. They just throw anyhow things. Trust me. So, this is the environment. We are making everything die, like sickness. These things harbor mosquitoes which cause malaria. Dirty, unwanted weed like around the houses. It brings snakes, harbor dangerous animals. See the gate. It must be painted to prevent tetanus. Oh, sure. Sometimes even I feel unsafe to be in such a place. Trust me. You see the unwanted plants around. This can harbor snakes. As I told you, see dirty water, mosquitoes, malaria. Like prevention is better than cure. Trust me. Oh, see that rubbish. So for me, I don't know how to blame, but I've made this video so that we come up together. If you see such thing, I'm going to volunteer and clean up here. As you see, I'm going to volunteer and clean up here. Because it's not good. It's not good. It's not good at all. It's so smelly. It's so nasty. Let's keep Africa clean. Let's stop this. Oh, I don't know even I can eat these sugar canes, because see where they are uprooted. Such nice environment of Africa, good views. So my friends, let's fight this. Let us come up together. As I'm leaving, I want to say, like, Africa is a blessed continent. So God blessed us with everything. So don't misuse Africa. Trust me, don't misuse Africa. Know the value of Africa to you. Okay? Yeah, don't forget to subscribe, to like to my channel, Postano Truly, here to give you more work, you know? Yeah, so, okay, it was my feelings to throw up this video. It was my feeling, so that you know how other people feel about you doing such things. Like, we are humans, and we have to live a healthy life, a worthy life. So this happening, it won't bring that, you know. Imagine of diseases, imagine of outbreaks, anything, you know. Yeah, imagine of soil dying, not growing this precious food, you know. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, that's it. So please, let us come together and fight this. Be aware of environmental pollution, you know. Just stay cool with where you are, but preserve there, okay? Preserve there, preserve there, preserve there. Know how to handle everything surrounding you. Because you might wake up one day without seeing this beautiful view. You keep on seeing, like, all the supplies you have, like good soil, good food from soil, nature, like weather. So please, okay, let's be real people who know what they want, you know. Sure you're cooperating with me, we do this. Love you all, guys, love you. But apart from this, I really want to appreciate you for watching my videos. I really want to appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you, because me starting this, it wasn't so easy. It was somehow like a hard journey, you know, a journey that I couldn't believe that I'll reach this far. But I see that I'm reaching this far. Yes, and the more I reach far, the more I give you work. Africa, feel free and feel proud to be an African. You got all the freedom you need. You got everything you need here. Okay? When I wake up seeing myself around this beauty, nature, I just thank God about this beautiful view. The green around you is so nice, and it gives out fresh air. But this is what I'm saying, you won't get that fresh air when you're doing this in the environment. No, then your life is affected, and my life is affected too. Yeah, so love you guys. Subscribe, like, view, comment. Yeah, I would like to hear from you. If you watch, then just be able to comment too. Okay, love you, take care.